In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on reviews in Google Merchant Center, an essential feature for anyone looking to enhance their online retail presence. Reviews can significantly influence potential customers' buying decisions, helping to build trust and increase conversion rates. If you haven't set this up yet, you're in the right place, and don't worry, it won't take long. So let's dive right in. To start, you need to open your web browser and navigate to business.google.com/in/merchant center. Once you've reached the page, take a look at the upper right corner. Here you'll find the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. Make sure to choose the Merchant Center from the options provided. If you haven't yet signed in, you'll be directed to a sign-in page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Those of you who are already signed in will be taken directly to your Merchant Center homepage. With credentials sorted, cast your eyes to the upper right corner once again. You should see a gear icon which represents settings. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From these options, select add-ons. Now your focus should be on locating Google customer reviews. This is a crucial step. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll want to click on Add. This addition is what integrates customer reviews into your Google Merchant Center setup. Once added, it's time to head back to your dashboard. Navigate there by clicking on the appropriate link in your interface. As you familiarize yourself with the layout, look over to the left side of your screen. Near the bottom, you'll notice an option labeled Reviews. Clicking on this will reveal a banner at the top of the screen related to a sign-in agreement. You'll want to click on this banner, which will prompt an agreement page to appear. Scroll down to the bottom and select Agree and Continue. This action confirms you've accepted the terms for displaying Google reviews. And that's just about it. From this point forward, each review you receive will appear within this section of your Merchant Center. This not only keeps you informed, but also makes managing and responding to reviews straightforward and efficient. Understanding customer feedback through reviews is vital in today's digital marketplace, and having this functionality enabled ensures you stay ahead in providing the best possible service. To wrap up, activating reviews in Google Merchant Center isn't only about enhancing visibility, but is a strategic move to grow your business. With this setup, you're now better positioned to understand your consumers and adapt accordingly. So if you haven't already, take these simple steps today and watch how it can positively impact your online presence. Thanks for watching, and until next time.